In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Kodular. Open your Kodular project. To get started, open Kodular and load the project where you want to show data from Airtable. Before you make any changes, it helps to know exactly what you want the app to display, whether that's a list of items, a few text values, or records that will appear on a screen. Having that goal in mind will make the setup much easier as you build. Next, move over to Airtable and prepare your base and table. Make sure the base already contains the information you want your app to read. Your table should be organized clearly with field names that are easy to recognize later when you start working with your blocks. Clean structure here will save time and help avoid confusion when you connect everything in Kodular. Once your Airtable setup is ready, copy the important API details you'll need. This includes the base ID, the table name, and the access token. These details are what allow Kodular to communicate with Airtable, so be careful to copy them exactly as they appear. Also, keep your token private and avoid exposing it anywhere unnecessary when sharing your project or recording your screen. Now go back to Kodular and add the Airtable component if you're using one, or add a web component if your project connects through API requests manually. The component you choose depends on how you want to handle the connection, but in either case, this is the part that gives your app the ability to request data from Airtable. After that, connect the data by placing your API details into the component settings or into your blocks. Double check each value as you enter it. A small mistake in the base ID, table name, or token can stop the connection from working, so accuracy matters a lot here. With the connection in place, create the blocks that fetch records from Airtable. This is where you tell the app to request the data from your selected table. Make sure the fetch action happens at the right time, such as when the screen opens or when the user taps a button, depending on how your app is designed. Once the records are returned, display the data in your app using a list, a label, or any screen element that fits your layout. Keep the presentation simple at first so you can confirm the data is coming through correctly before improving the design. Finally, test the app and confirm that the Airtable data appears correctly. Run it, watch the results carefully, and if something doesn't show up, review your API details, component setup, and blocks. When everything is connected properly, your Kodular app should successfully pull and display data from Airtable.